Have you ever had a dream that you so much you could do anything?
Take two. Good evening, good morning, and goodbye. In today's episode of You Can Do Anything with AI, I'm coming to you with a really cool tool I'm excited to share with you. It's called ClipForge, and this is a clone of CapCut. Really basic, shippable MVP, really clean, really happy with how it came out. Was up till 2 in the morning last night, which is way too late, and didn't make any progress from like 6 p.m. last night to 2 p.m. today. Just needed to start something from fresh, remove a tiny feature that was unnecessary that I created in the middle. So before continuing and showing you the product, I wanted to explain my reasoning for the stack that I ended up using. So two recommended stacks to use for desktop application development were Electron and Tauri. I ended up even though a lot of amazing apps are built like on Electron, like Discord and Slack, I ended up choosing Tauri because when an application is multiple 100 megabytes, that really grinds my gears, that really irks me. I decided to use Tauri for something that's fast and lightweight, not only for development, but something that's going to move quick and just look nice. For front-end framework, my last two projects have been in React. One was regular React Native, one was React Expo, and both were amazing experiences for front-end framework. Here I wanted to stick with that lightweight philosophy, which is why I went with Svelte. On the canvas I used regular HTML5, didn't go anything fancy, wanted to use Convo, but I think there might have been some incompatibilities with versioning. And either way, I didn't need that level of complexity. I just went one step at a time with the HTML5. Didn't need so much backend. Things are going great. Let's open it up. All right, really simple UI, really clean. I could make this screen bigger if I want. Let's import a video. I'm actually going to import a couple. Let's do it just like that. I've got two videos here. Let's drag this to be in the front of the video because you know I like to open my videos with the clip that you just saw. Okay, there we go. No overlaps allowed. There you go. I could go here to this clip, right? Drag around. We could do some, some trimming. The neat thing about this trimming, oh, that's a zoom. The neat thing about this trimming, I'm just gonna delete the big one, which I'm also bragging about that feature, is that the trimming on release has memory, so I could go back on the trim. I could drag or click to move this buffer thing. Here. Okay, like I showed you before, I can zoom and get really in the weeds on this, and that's with control or command, and I could scroll even with the mouse. I'm just holding shift and scrolling around. So I could put multiple videos, I could import, I could rearrange and trim, I could scroll and zoom on the timeline. Let's show you the export. Let's go on caps lock. Export test. Let's see. Goes to MP4. Go to movies. It's already there. There we are. Anyway, excited for what's coming next. We're gonna build some more functionality, make this prettier, give it a screen record. Basically gonna replace some of the tools that I'm using here, which is very exciting. Some of the benefits of this is that a lot of the applications that are being used today for video editing are lacking privacy. In the terms and conditions, they're claiming ownership of the video footage. That's making a lot of people uncomfortable. So it's a great time in the market to have like shippable, customizable products or projects for individuals to use and create. This is a shippable application, DMG, and all that whatnot, as I showed you in the beginning. I hope if you have any requests on specific features, give me a shout out, give me a DM, give me a repost, all that, and I'll try to throw it in there. Anyway, good night, good morning, and goodbye.